Hello. Today, I like to take a picture about my mobile farm backyard. Especially today, I like to harvest some of cucumber. During last week, and it's been here about 100 degrees lately, so very hot, and especially July 1st long weekend we have a time. I like to show you my backyard mobile farm a little bit, and I like to start to harvest cucumber today. We have some of a cucumber. It's great. Look at here. Wow, like that. And then one more. Here is pretty much, it looks like around 1 foot length. Pretty good size. Oh, here another one. This is the second time harvest. And another tree. Still look at that here. A lot of small baby cucumber growing like that. And this one flower and cucumber. And it will grow around within 4 or 5 days. We can harvest. And get here is another one around oh, this one grow inside of the pot. Okay, and this one, another one, and that pretty big size. Oh, I can see over there back again. Each pot I plant two trees because this is a 25-gallon size pot, so it's pretty big. So most of them I am using a 5-gallon pot, but it's growing good. So let's see, we have a little bit more. This is a kind of a Japanese cucumber. So I plant around here eight of them, and then small baby one growing around 6 of them again. So the other one growing not big enough. Okay, I think most of them I picked up. So wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. I harvested 7 of them. Okay, this is scallion, and this is small. This tree is sweet melon. It's growing now. They have yellow bloom now, and pretty soon they are gonna start bearing fruit. These are leeks, and this is another kind of a pumpkin we just planted 2 weeks ago. And here is we have green pepper, and most of green pepper and sweet melon growing pretty soon, because I plant a little bit late this year, because this one we couldn't get enough time to put the seed, so I plant here. So it's growing good. This is kind of zucchini. A zucchini squat. This is bearing one small one growing. Maybe 2 days. In 2 days, we can harvest. This one eggplant. I have 3 eggplant growing, and still not big enough. So I'm waiting. And this one, maybe I can take some of them. Eggplant, one. This one tomorrow maybe. Oh, this one may be big. Wow. Eggplant. And like that. Okay. Looks great. Kind of very purple fruit. We love that purple fruit. Okay. And this is kind of a pepper. So this is jalapeno, and this is most of them is green pepper. So we like to pick up like that, just like that, and pretty little bit longer than my finger length. We pick up. We have every day pick up some of them, and then we enjoy it. Lot, not small. It's a lot. Okay. Okay. All right. This is a pepper. See, every trees, lots of bearing peppers. It's growing very fast. 2-3 days. Every day we have to harvest. Okay, some of them too big. Wow, it's green pepper. This is a kind of a mobile farm because we can move this bucket anywhere you want. We can go. When you go camping site, we can take this 5-gallon bucket into the trunk and then go. Okay, here is a few of tomato trees. So backside I built up a little bit growing fence because like this is growing. So when they grow like that, they have to grow. We can live like that. So I tightened with a ziplock. They're tight like that because I don't want to fall down that whole trees. This one growing all. If growing more, I'm gonna add it up one more growing fence like this. And then look at. Let me tell you. Look at. I like to tell you. Look at this one. Tomato. First time that one growing like a yellow small flower bloom start, and then small green tomato growing. This is kind of a cherry tomato, so lot of tomato growing, and then getting slowly yellowish color. They change yellow robe clothes day by day, and then getting reddish. See, look at bottom, reddish, this kind of reddish. And this one, look at also green tomato growing, and then they change clothes day by day. We pick like red one like this. So that makes me very marvelous things. Nature gives us very strange and very marvelous, wonderful things to us. That makes us feeling happy and surprised through the communication with nature. Nature gives us a lot of feeling happy and peace all the time. That's why I like to watch this one and the conversation with nature. This conversation sometimes feels weariness of our body and mind and gives our hearts rest. When I see the yellow flower bloom and blueberries grow and change into yellow red robes, it likes seeing a prince and princess running to me in golden robes. Right at my fingertips, it changed, it happened. It's a mysterious and miraculous things. This power of nature gives us a lot of courage, strength, and possibility. I can do it. I can cure and recover from any disease. I can heal and recover from any illness. I am having a mind and spirit eye opening, horizon expanding experience while gardening on the go. So that's why I like to grow whole vegetables in my backyard. This backyard, the first time I started around 5 years ago, and that time with only 5-gallon bucket, and then next year, and then I added more, so 10 bucket, and then now I have around 80 bucket of plant to pot. So we are enjoying because why basically my house backyard soil condition is no good. Looks like a cement. Even grass doesn't grow well. So I started looking something. How can I grow vegetable in my backyard? So finally I decide, oh, let's start pot growing. So I started from 5 to now around above 80 pots I'm growing. All vegetables, most of the vegetables I got from my backyard. That's enough. And then few of other vegetables we bought some at the market and enjoy it. So we have here also some fig trees, and we have fig growing now, but it's been around 10 years, still this much small. So not growing well because bottom soil conditions not good. And then we have here some of dragon fruit tree. Last week we got 2 fruit blooming. So it's just one day blooming, and then now growing dragon fruit, 2 of them growing like that. And then it will take around time, and then almost my baseball size growing, and then we harvest. So this one around 10 years, but just growing in the small pot. So this morning I like to show, I like to take a picture and then show to someone who interested, and then someone copy like I've done. So let them know how we are doing now. And then gradually, next time, I like to explain to them how to start a mobile pot, and then how to start to grow where some of the vegetables what you want. Today, during Memorial Day weekend, I like to show you how to communicate with nature, and then how to get confidence, and then how to get happiness, who gives us what they gives you by through the nature communication. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice holiday weekend. Thank you. See you later.